Are you a Cricut crafter wanting to create your own beautiful SVG designs for flowers, banners, text, cake toppers, or anything your heart desires? Well, here's some amazing news for you. You can now learn everything about creating your own SVG designs in my new course, SVG Superstar. With this course, you will have the power to bring your imagination to life, creating literally any design that comes to your mind to amaze yourself and to impress others. I'll walk you through every single step of your journey on learning to create your own designs. Plus, you will have a huge community of like-minded people to work with. How exciting! The enrollments for SVG Superstar are currently open first, but not for long. More than 50 students have already enrolled in the course. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and join us now before this offer is gone forever. Bring your creativity to life, learn to create your own gorgeous SVG designs. Click the link for more info.